Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to do voiceover in a CapCut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do now is just go open the CapCut application. Okay, so before adding the voiceover, you need to decide which video that you want to add to your project and to work with the voiceovers too. And by click the new project and just choose which video that you want to add to your project, and after that just follow all of the instruction. But here I already have the video for you guys, so this is the video that I want to add the voiceovers to. And how to add the voiceover, you just need to bring back this straight line into the beginning of the clip, and after that you just need to go click in audio here. Now you will activate several buttons, and now you just need to click a voiceover, and this voiceover you just need to click this side once, and there will be start counting down, and you can just talking after one. Okay, let's try. Voiceover check, voiceover check. Okay, and after you're done, you can just go bring this straight line into the beginning of the video and have a check by go click this voiceover check, voiceover check. When you're satisfied with the result, you just need to go click done, and now you already have a voiceover to narrate or to narration on your video. So that's the way how to do voiceover on a CapCut application. If you found it to this tutorial is useful for you guys, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.